English story. Once a little boy went out with his grandfather. While roaming around in market at one place, they saw that a shoemaker was being insulted by customer. Customer was shouting at him and complaining about that something was wrong with his shoes. The shoemaker made for him. Even after seeing that customer was shouting at him, shoemaker calmly replied to him and apologized. He even promised him that he would not be repeat the mistake and give him a better pair of shoes next time. After seeing this, grandfather and kid continued to go further. After a while, they saw a coffee shop and went inside. After getting seated there, they ordered some snacks and coffee. At table next to there, they saw a waiter requesting man to move his chair so that he could get by, but instead of moving his chair, that man started to abuse that waiter and even refused to move that chair. Seeing this, grandfather said to a little kid, "Never forget what you have seen today." Grandfather continued, "You remember just a while ago, we saw a shoemaker getting insulted by customer. Even after getting insulted, shoemaker did not get angry and accepted customer complaint." Grandfather continued, "From this you can learn that men who perform some useful task are not bothered by the way they are treated, even if someone treated them as useless. It's because they believe in their work and get back to work with all their heart. But men who do no useful work always think of themselves as important and they hide the incompetency behind the authority." Vocabulary words. Word incompetency. Meaning inability to do something successfully. Sentence incompetency behind the authority. Word apologized. Meaning to say that you are sorry for something that you have done. Sentence calmly replied to him and apologized.